Hi guys, here's another build. My son started it, but I tell you, this was a real pain in the ass. The instructions, I will show you what mistakes they made and whatnot before this video is over. Anyways, I finished it for him because it was a nightmare for him. So anyways, here it is. It's all box stock because, well, my son painted it. And that's as far as he got. And the roll bar he put in. There's the motor. It's my first box stock since I started on building. I use a Tamiya panel liner in the trunk and the door areas. And yeah, it was not too bad of a kit, but it was just a pain in the ass. Here's the instructions. This part right here says 56. Well, it's actually 97. These headers, this side fits the other side. So the numbers don't match for that either. What else was there? Oh yeah. These spindles. Don't do them like they say there. Put the spindle on to the other end. So that way the tire is more higher up. Because if you put it the way they do it, man, oh man, the front end will just drag on the ground. So no, that wouldn't be right. And this bar here, right here, that goes across. I removed that and I cut my own bar. But anyways, besides that, everything else went okay. Very well detailed kit. It's just that I wish, the numbers were up in par, Especially when a young kid is trying to put it together, there's no freaking way that he'd be able to put it together without knowing where all the parts go. He basically knows most of the parts, but, he gets kind of confused with some of the parts. But anyways, that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I think it didn't turn out too bad. I don't think I'd be building too many NASCARs in my future, but anyways, that's it for now, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.